loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going back to Delhi from Goa and it's 4 a.m. in the morning and I still feel so sleepy. So dirty. Hi Lily, how are you? And let's go and check upstairs. I pack all things already just to change the dress. Hi. You are Indigo or with Vistara? Indigo. Dress up Iceland sleeping. When I go outside, it's still so dark and I feel kind of lonely and peaceful. I really like this place. I don't want to go back now because it's very quiet and it's really nice to stay. I think boys are still sleeping. No one is wake up yet. So it's so exciting to go back to Delhi. Cannot wait. It's been 1 hour now. She's sitting like this. See? So here's it's already bright now. I think our bus already came and it's time to go. We are going now. So here's my luggage and it's very heavy because I bought lots of things for friends and family. I bought lots of dress and port wine. I think it will be more than 20 kg, so I have to adjust with someone who don't have much thing. I don't know with whom I'm gonna adjust. And I really have no idea what they are saying because they are speaking in Nagamese. I don't know Nagamese. And we are moving out now.
Bye bye Anjuna. We're going to Delhi Beach. Your last match.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning.
Here we are reaching Goa airport now. I think it took like an hour to reach here from the place we stay.
You guys can stand with I'll take the picture. Because you guys are all together, na? Hey, let's take group pic and Pankaj will click. Yeah, I'm taking group picture of you guys.
Cody, are you enjoying in Goa?
Absolutely.
Hi Thompson. And today weather is very good. It's sunny and very fresh. I really love summers. That's the reason that I really love Goa, I guess. I really don't want to leave this place, but I have to go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
Bye bye Goa. Bye bye. We
Bye,
miss Goa. So here we have to separate because some of us are going back to Delhi and some of them are going back to hometown in Nagaland. So we are here for Delhi. We are about to enter now. Where are they? Acha, they are still in Digona. So here we are doing security check and all. And we have done security check and on my boarding pass it's written gate 10. So we are going to gate number 10.
What's the time now?
So here's my friend. He is the one who is helping me. As we all know, he can carry only 15 kg per person. So my luggage is like 6 kg extra and his one is only 7 kg. So I combine with his luggage and I did not pay any extra money, and I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to him. So here we already reached our gate number. And now we are going to enter inside the flight. Augustine. And take your picture. Bye bye. See you in Delhi. Bye. Good. Oh my god.
You're so born baby first.
Baby girl. They're gonna make for us. Yeah. And here we're gonna fly with one baby girl. Oh my god, she's so cute and so lovely. I really like her. Hello. So I'm gonna sit here. Actually, this is not my seat. One of my friend, he's so kind and telling me that as you're making a vlog video, you might want to sit here. So I am so happy and I'm sitting here. And we are taking off now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So here we're gonna eat breakfast. Since I wake up, I did not eat anything and I am so hungry. And oh my god, it looks so yummy. It's egg and corn and potato and it's gonna be so tasty. So let me start eating now. And here what we got along with food, we got Fast Up energy drink. And this pill we just have to drop into the water and then after 1 minute we can just drink. And I am so happy. It's really helpful for me as I'm so tired right now. So here we are reaching New Delhi already. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful, but it's so high from here. I am scared. And I think that is JLN Stadium. Wow, it's so big. For the first time I'm seeing like this way. Finally, we all landed now. We are here in Delhi. Thanks to God for our safe arrival. Thank you so much.
You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth.
No one is here to pick us. Kana here. So this is Delhi. I saw her in Goa at the beach. Oh my god. Kahan jayega? So here we came out already. So many people are here. Oh my god. And the weather is so cold. So now we are going to Aine Market to buy something for dinner. And I tried to make my whole day vlog video, but I could not make it because my phone storage is full already. And thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Don't wanna leave this play date with you.